Hi, and welcome. And in today's tutorial, we will be installing a free PCB software design tool called easyEDA. So, first thing we're gonna go do is go get the download. So it's easyEDA, which caps lock's on. I'm gonna look for the. So we're gonna go. Actually, we're gonna go to there. Hit me type down. easyEDA. Click here. And then we're gonna go ahead and download. Now you're gonna have to select based on the device you're on. So I'm on Windows right now. And I'm on a 64, so we're gonna go ahead and click that. Oops. Sorry, that's the Pro Edition. We want the Standard Edition, so I'm bad. We're gonna go ahead and open the folder, and we're going to double click. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and let it go to its default location. You can move it where you want. Alright. I like offline mode, but you can collaborate with other people. I'm gonna put on offline mode. I'm gonna let it go ahead and create well, I'm going to create let's go under documents, and I'm gonna select a new I'm gonna add a new folder. I'm gonna call it easyData. I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna put it in there so that all my projects are saved under my documents. Alright. And that is how you install easyEDA. They have this nice little tutorial that you can walk through. Shows you their toolbar and how to select parts. I recommend you go through this. And yeah, I'll be back with another tutorial soon.